I would like to take a few minutes just to show you how Starfish will help improve communication between advisors and faculty in regards to our students. First, on the home page of the advisor's screen, they will have an overview of recent activity with flags or kudos that may have been raised, and then they will also have an overview of it will say flags that they are managing. Because NPC has students that attend several different locations, advisors actually have access to all of the students. So in a minute I will show you how they will actually be able to see just those students that attend their location. One of the biggest benefits that advisors will have with Starfish is when they have a student come in to visit them, they will be able to easily look that student up, go to their profile. They could either hover over this and make a quick note, or they could go into the profile and make a note in regards to why the student came in to visit. This note can be shared between everybody. It'd be a general note where faculty and other advisors can see it, so that we can make sure that we are all on the same page with the student. There can also be a classified note if it's a note that does not need to be shared with everybody in the college. The biggest benefit of Starfish for advisors and faculty is going to be the ability to connect faculty and advisors with those students that need our help the most. So for example, Jeremy was in earlier doing a progress survey and looking at his students, and let's say Jeremy recently raised a flag on Joe College. Joe College was having trouble in class, so he went ahead and raised a flag, and we'll say that he did that through the progress survey, and Joe College is in danger of failing. So certain flags will actually have different notifications based on their severity. This flag, the in danger of failing flag, is actually a flag that an advisor would receive an email for right away. When the advisor goes in and looks at Joe's student, they can go into the tracking, see the flag right here. They can click on the plus sign to get more information. So we see here that Jeremy said this student has not been turning in their weekly assignments. I've been unable to reach the student. Please assist. In some cases, you may want to raise an in danger of failing flag, but maybe you have already spoken with the student and nothing needs to happen on our end. So it's very important for the faculty raising the flag to make good notes so that the advisors know what to do with the student. Let's just say that as an advisor, I already spoke with this student and have since spoken with Jeremy, and everything is done. The first thing that I could do is the first time I spoke with that student, I'll want to hover over this little orange flag, and I can make a comment in here. And I can just say, spoke with student in regards to their issue. And what this does is it makes sure that now we have good communication back and forth on what's going on with the student and what we have done to help them. At any point, if Jeremy feels that this concern is gone, the student is back on track, at any point from his profile and from any faculty profile that you manage these students, you can go in here and you can clear the flag. And as an advisor, I could also clear it if I spoke with the faculty member and they said, yes, everything's good, will you please go in and clear the flag? So at that point, I can go in here and I can hit clear the flag. I can add any more comments if I'd like to, or I can close the loop and write a message to the person who raised the flag in the first place. So that's how we were able to kind of keep in touch and close the loop at the end if the problem is resolved. Because this is not the only student that an advisor will be helping, they need a way to be able to narrow down which students need their help. So up top, they have two tabs. They have the My Students tab and the Tracking tab. The Tracking tab will show all of the students that they are managing. Now, automatically, it will likely be on all of my students because advisors do have access to all students. So advisors can go in and narrow this down to the campus or center advisor, which gives them just the students they are over. So you'll again see that flag in there for Joe College that this advisor is managing. That's how they're able to narrow it down and focus on those students that attend their campus.